Hey guys, just thought to go straight into going through the end of year paper 1, Sec 3 Express Science. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, first question, which of the following is not a physical quantity? Okay, so just be careful, not. What do you know by a physical quantity must have both magnitude and unit. Okay, that's right. So all these 75, these are my magnitudes. Unit is these are meters, kilometers per hour, second, time. Only one that's not a unit is how many times, right? So question 1D. Okay, so which of the following is again not a base quantity? So the only one that's not a base quantity is speed. Okay, because all these are bases. Speed is made up of what? Distance and time. Okay, so answer C. Question 3. What is the value of 5 gigabytes? So gig is 10 to the power of 9. So question 3 is C. Question 4. Best represents the magnitude of a typical atom. So atom will be in terms of nanometers, right? Okay. Does not show a correct scalar vector pair. What does not show? So which one is scalar? Over here. The only one is speed and distance. Vector will be only acceleration. Okay, so that's it for first 5 questions. Let's go straight into the next one. Okay, next one. Which one shows non-uniform deceleration? Okay, first thing you see, what's the units on the graph? Speed time. So speed time graph will give you acceleration, right? So deceleration will be only going negative gradient, so it can either be A or B. So this one cannot, both of these are acceleration. So what is non-uniform? Because this is uniform, because constant gradient. Non-uniform, answer only B. Question 6. Question 7, again distance time graph. So gradient gives me what for distance time graph? Gradient gives me speed. So what can you say? So speed is what? Decreasing, right? You can see decreasing gradient. So speed decreases, so increase cannot. Speed decreases, then what happens? Does it remain constant? Constant will be constant like that, right? Constant gradient. So this one, that means at any time, you see, the distance don't move, so must be stopped. So 7 is B. Okay. Question number 8. Okay, train's journey for 4 hours is recorded. Which best describes the train's journey? Accelerates from rest, or it moves off at this speed? No, cannot. It moves off. It doesn't move off at this speed. Okay, it moves off from 0. So this two cannot. So must be accelerate from rest because not moving. Traveling a total distance. So how do you calculate total distance? So distance under speed time graph. So 1 times 50 is 50, 50, 50. This one, half base times height. This is basically 25. So 150, 175 kilometers. So answer question 8 is A. Okay. Question number 9. Drone suddenly malfunction and start to fall from the top of a sky bridge. Which is the best approximation after 5 seconds for the velocity. Okay. So G value of 10 meters per second square. What does it mean? Every second speed increased by 10 meters per second. So 5 seconds later, you're right. Answer D. Okay, just 50 meters per second. Okay. Question number 10. Which statement about the mass of an object is correct? So mass of an object to do with what? It resists what? Both the change in state of rest or motion of a body, right? Basically, it's lazy. It doesn't want to change. That's it. Nothing to do. It's not just state of rest or not just state of motion, but both of them. Okay, that's basically inertia. Another word for inertia, another 4-letter word for inertia, lazy. That's right. Okay, question 11. Which statement about gravitational field is correct? It is not a force, but it's basically a region where an object experiences a force due to its mass. Okay, question 11A. This is basically just a definition. Okay, question number 12. Let's go straight into it. Constant speed, straight away I know resultant force equals 0. Alright, so which one gives me resultant force 0? Both of these must be equal. Okay, so answer is D. Okay, question 13. Which one is not true? Again, not. So Mass is measured in kilogram. Weight is measured in Newton. So answer B. This one. Kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy of the missile. KE half mv square GPE mgh. Where do we get all the figures from? M V G H. Substitute inside. The only one is B. That's it. Got it? All these you must be able to identify. Question number 15. Okay. You've got a rock which is at a height of 20 meters. Then it drops. At a height of 20 meters is shown below. Okay, just before it's being released, this is the KE, it means not moving. This is the GPE. Which one shows possible values of GPE and KE for the rock at a height of 10 meters? That means halfway through. Okay, basically conservation of energy tells me what? Total energy must be the same. So you can see total, so this one 50, this plus this 50. So all those that is more than 50 cannot be, right? The only one is A. Okay, because you see total energy, how come I got suddenly 100? Wow, 150. Where did the extra 50 or 100 come from? It only has a total energy of 50, right? Okay, so there's 50, joules, total energy. Okay? Question 16. Kinetic model 6. This is just a definition. Okay, they are always in continuous random motion. Question 16. C. Okay, 17. Which best describes the relationship between KE and temperature? As I heat something, kinetic energy increase. So must be like that. So C. But some of you chose this. What's wrong with this? That means without even the temperature, the kinetic energy increase at the same temperature, right? Cannot be, right? So same temperature, kinetic energy don't increase. This one, what does it mean? Increase temperature, kinetic energy decrease. This one, increase temperature, kinetic energy same, remain constant. Cannot be, so it has to be B, C, I mean. Okay. All right. Last three questions. Okay. Wearing a jacket in winter keeps a person warm. Which statement describes why you are kept warm as a result? Okay. Air cannot prevent loss. Air only reduces loss of thermal energy by what? Conduction or conduction and radiation. So cannot be radiation because radiation is only affected by what? Nothing to do with air. It's only affected by, remember, texture, the color, what else? Surface, the area exposed as well as the actual temperature, right? So must be C. Okay, last two questions. Liquid is cooled, so liquid, so it starts off with liquid, so this must be what? Solid, freezing, so this is liquid plus solid. So describes what happens between PQ, so this is liquid and solid. Internal what? So this is KE, so this must be internal potential energy. What happened? Lost to what? Correct, both are lost. Strengthened bonds or weakened bonds? Must be strengthened. So there was actually an error here, right? So BC, this one also BC. Okay, so answer was what? C. Okay, 19 C, yes. Okay, 20 speed of light is this, so N equals C over V. So what is C? C is speed of light in vacuum, which is 3 times 10 to the power 8. Speed of light in medium is this, so N is just use 1.5. In other words, V is equals to, let's bring the other side, 3 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.5. Answer is B. That's it. Okay, all right, so hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next.